Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to curve text in Google Slides. So let's say you want to curve this text, meet macros. So this is very simple. Go over to your page, inkpx.com. Here you can curve text in simple ways. Click on this one, go down and pick whichever you want. So let's say I want this one, this is the simple one, and click on that and then scroll down, and here you have text. So go back to Google Slides. Select your text, press Command C or Control C if you are on Windows to copy it. Go back here, like this, and Command V or Control V if you are on Windows to paste it. Now your text should be visible here, and you can also change size, fill, color, just play with it however you like. You can even change font if you like any different one. So let's see, change it to this one. And now simply how to get it into Google Slides is actually pretty simple. Just go here to download, click on that and choose PNG or JPEG. I will suggest you to use PNG and press download. Now it should be, click on this folder icon, and it is right here right now in your downloads folder, as you can see. Since it's PNG, it is transparent, so easily go back to Google Slides, delete this text, because we are going to add the new one, and then simply drag and drop it here and position it right as you want. And it is really simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.